There's a video going around right now telling women over 40 exactly how to lose belly fat. And if you've tried it and ended up exhausted, discouraged, or stuck anyway, I need you to hear this first. It's not your fault. The advice sounds reasonable on the surface. Cut your calories hard, add hours of extra cardio, cut out carbs completely, and that approach can genuinely work for some bodies. The problem is it was built and tested on women in their 20s and 30s, not women in their 40s and ahead. Your body at 40 plus isn't running on the same hormones it was back then. So advice that ignores that difference doesn't just fail to help, it can actively work against you. And that's the part almost nobody talks about. So today, we're doing this properly. What's actually happening in your body after 40, why the extreme cardio cut everything approach backfires, and exactly what to do instead, both in your workouts and on your plate. This is the real hormone-aware version of this advice. Here's what's actually going on. After 40, your estrogen starts declining, and estrogen used to help decide where your body stores fat. As it drops, cortisol, your main stress hormone, takes over more of that job. And cortisol's favorite place to store fat is right around your belly. So when you pile on extra cardio and slash your food way down, you're actually raising cortisol even more. That's the exact opposite of what your body needs right now. You're not failing. You've just been handed a plan that fights the wrong hormone. And this isn't just about how your midsection looks. Chronically high cortisol affects your sleep, your energy, even your mood. So when that punishing workout and restriction plan doesn't work, it's not just disappointing. It can leave you feeling worse across the board. The good news is, once you understand what your hormones are actually asking for, the fix becomes so much simpler than anything that viral advice was selling. Let's start with movement. What actually works starts with strength training. Building muscle helps your body manage blood sugar and stress more efficiently, which directly supports hormone balance. You don't need to lift heavy every single day. 2 to 3 sessions a week, focused on your major muscle groups, makes a real difference. Start with a simple sit to stand squat. Feet hip width apart, lower down like you're sitting into a chair, then stand back up. 3 sets of 10, going slower on the way down than the way up. This works your biggest muscle groups, which matters most here. Next, a modified push-up against a counter or wall, or on your knees if that's more comfortable. 3 sets of 8 to 10. Add a plank hold after, even just 20 seconds to start. This builds strength through your core and upper body without straining your joints. Add a hip hinge, hands on your thighs, sending your hips back like you're closing a car door behind you, then standing tall. If you've got a light resistance band or dumbbells, add a row at the bottom of the movement. 3 sets of 10 works well here too. And on the days you're not strength training, walking is your best friend, not sprinting, not punishing yourself. A brisk 20 to 30 minute walk actually helps lower cortisol instead of raising it. It sounds almost too simple to work, but for this particular hormone, simple is exactly what works. That's the whole movement side. 3 strength sessions a week, walking on the days between. No hour-long cardio sessions. Remired is required. Now let's talk about what's actually on your plate. Food matters here too, but not the way that viral video suggested. This isn't about eating less, it's about eating foods that support your hormones instead of stressing them further. A few steady additions make a bigger difference than any strict cut everything plan ever could. Fatty fish, like salmon, gives you omega-3s, which help lower inflammation and support hormone balance. Eggs give you steady protein that keeps you full and supports the muscle you're building in your workouts. Leafy greens and berries add the fiber and antioxidants your body needs more of after 40. Add things like Greek yogurt, avocado, and green tea throughout your week. None of this requires cutting anything out completely, and none of it is about restriction. It's small, steady additions, giving your body the support it's actually asking for, instead of the punishment that advice was selling. That's the real hormone-aware version of this advice. Strength training a few times a week, walking instead of extra cardio, and eating to support your hormones instead of fighting them. That's all it is. So next time you see advice promising a fast kick for belly fat after 40, ask yourself one question. Was this actually built for a body like yours? Because the approach we just walked through was. And that's exactly why it works differently. If you want this exact approach built out for you, the workouts, the meals, the daily guidance, all personalized, that's exactly what the Fit Flourish app does. It's made specifically for women over 40. Founding member spots are open right now with code FOUNDING30. The link's right below this video.